Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be checking out some free amazing plugins for music producers you need to grab. With that being said guys, let's get started. The first on this list is Outlaw Lite by WA Productions. And Outlaw Lite is simply a gain writing toolbox. They said it listens to the incoming audio and compensates for volume changes to mimic a real-life audio engineer's mixing deck's fader movement. So let's check it out. Alright, the next is Memory by Cymatics, a vintage effects plugin for instant emotion and feelings. This plugin allows you to transform your sound with its analog style chorus and vibrato parameters, as well as randomized pitch modulation. So let's check it out. Next up is Beatfuser by Modalics. With this plugin, you can crush anything to beats. Beatfuser is an unholy alliance between a beat crusher, fuzz, and distortion. The beat fusing algorithm is complemented by a powerful filter and EQ section, helping you to tame the chaos and create beautiful mayhem. So let's check this out. Next is Revalver by headrush. This plugin comes with world-class guitar amp, stomp, effects, and proprietary ACT, which means audio cloning technology, instrument models, maybe all you will ever need. The best part is that you can expand Revalver to add any additional tones you may be looking for. So guys, let's check this out. The next we have here is Ecoslap by the Department of Sound. This is a free slap delay plugin that is available for both Windows and Mac systems. Here we have Big Bad Tube by circuitry. It's a free tube drive and distortion plugin available for Mac and Windows. So let's check it out. And the last on the list is Vocal Compressor by Bertom Audio. Vocal Compressor is a simple compressor plugin optimized for speech and singing voice. Additionally, the HF Sense sidechain filter allows you to fine-tune the sensitivity to high frequencies. It is similar to what you can find on the back of famous optical compressors. So let's check it out. Alright, so you had it all, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you like these plugins, I'll be leaving the link in the description for easy download. Stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.